Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Spice Connection. Today I have 3 amazing microwave recipes for you. If you are a sweet lover, I'm sure you're gonna try it right away. So without wasting much time, I'm going to quickly show you what I have for you today. For mug cake recipe, we need 3.5 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I have taken coconut sugar. You can take normal sugar. 3 tablespoons of hot milk, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. I will first mix the butter and the sugar together. To this, I'm going to add in the cocoa powder and the milk, add in the baking soda and the flour. Microwave it for 1 minute and 10 seconds. And your mug cake is now ready. Top it with some Nutella or hot chocolate and enjoy. For eggless dark chocolate brownie, we need 1/4 cup of dark chocolates, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 8 tablespoons of flour, 5 tablespoons of sugar. I have taken coconut sugar. You can take the normal grain sugar. 5 tablespoons of warm milk, 3 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. Mix the chocolate chunks and the milk first. Keep whisking until the entire chocolate has completely melted. To this, I'm going to add in the butter. I will add in the sugar. To this, add in the cocoa powder. And the flour. The batter should look like this. Pour it into a microwave-safe bowl lined with a butter paper. Level it with a spatula and then add in chocolate chips for garnishing, or you can also add chocolate chunks. This step is completely optional. Microwave it for 2 minutes. And your eggless chocolate brownie is ready. going to demold this one and cut it into slices. For eggless chocolate chip cookie, we need 1 tablespoon of hot milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, chocolate chip or chocolate chunk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Again, I have taken coconut sugar, you can take normal sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of butter. I will begin with mixing the butter and the sugar first, and then add in all the wet ingredients, and then I will add the dry ingredients. Add in the vanilla essence and the hot milk. I will add in the cocoa powder and the flour and mix it. Add in the salt and the baking powder. Also add in the chocolate chip. The dough will look like this. And place it on the parchment paper. You can make 2 small cookies or 1 big cookie out of it. Microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And your eggless chocolate chip cookie is ready to gorge. Do give these recipes a try and let me know in the comments how you liked it. And do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video again. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe.